Hello everyone! In this video, I'll explain exactly how to file a DBA under an LLC, step by step, so you can legally use a different business name while keeping your LLC intact. A DBA, or Doing Business As, is basically a trade name. It lets your LLC operate under another name without creating a brand new company. First, start by choosing the name you want to use. It must be unique and not already taken by another business in your state. To check availability, visit your Secretary of State's website or your local county clerk's office, depending on where your DBA filings are handled. Some states manage DBAs at the state level, while others do it at the county level. Once you find a name that's available, you need to make sure it complies with your state's naming rules. Your DBA can't include legal endings like LLC or Inc. unless your actual LLC name includes them. For example, if your LLC is called Bright Solutions LLC, your DBA can simply be Bright Cleaning Services. Next, it's time to file your DBA application. Go to your state's or county's official website and look for the fictitious name or assumed name registration section. You'll need to fill out a simple form that asks for your LLC's legal name, your EIN or business ID number, the DBA name you're registering, your business address, and sometimes the names of the LLC members. After filling out the form, you'll pay a small filing fee, typically between $10 and $100, depending on your state. Some states also require you to publish a notice in a local newspaper for a few weeks to announce your new business name. If that's required, make sure you follow the publication instructions carefully and keep proof for your records. Once the form is submitted and approved, you'll receive a DBA certificate or confirmation letter. This officially allows your LLC to use that business name on marketing materials, invoices, websites, and even bank accounts, though some banks might ask for both your LLC documents and your DBA certificate when opening a new account. And that's it! Filing a DBA under your LLC is a simple process that gives your business flexibility to use different brand names without forming new entities. It keeps your legal protection in place while expanding how you present your company publicly. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.